The Wealth Rhythm Code program claims to attract wealth through sound frequencies and binaural beats. But does the science support these bold claims? The program is based on the idea that certain sound frequencies can influence brainwave patterns. While audio can affect cognitive functions, the specific wealth code claim is questionable. The evidence behind sound frequencies unlocking a wealth potential coded in genes is unclear. Genes influence traits, but a specific audio-activated wealth code seems far-fetched. The Wealth Rhythm Code is one of many audio manifestation programs. While they share the theme of using sound for wealth, it's important to evaluate each one critically. User opinions on the program's effectiveness are mixed. Some report positive mindset changes, while others are doubtful. Individual experiences seem to vary widely. The program employs common marketing tactics, portraying audio as an easy wealth solution. While urgency can motivate, be cautious of heavily hyped-up claims. Even if wealth claims are questionable, the program may offer benefits like increased focus and a positive mindset, which can indirectly support goals. Just keep expectations realistic. If you're intrigued by the Wealth Rhythm Code, approach it with an open but discerning mindset. Don't accept extraordinary claims blindly. Results may vary, and your own perspective is key. After weighing the evidence, the program may be worth exploring if you're open-minded about sound's potential. But be realistic. It's a tool, not a magic wealth button. The Wealth Rhythm Code reminds us to think critically about programs with grand promises. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Empower yourself with knowledge. Ultimately, your wealth potential depends on your own mindset and actions. Audio programs can be motivational tools, but they aren't standalone solutions. We've taken an in-depth look at the Wealth Rhythm Code, examining its claims, science, results, and fit. We hope these objective insights help you decide if it aligns with your goals. Remember, true wealth is not just money, but also the richness of knowledge, critical thinking, and taking empowered steps forward on your journey. To explore the Wealth Rhythm Code further and decide if it's right for you, click the link below for more information.